Volunteering to me for the Blood Bikes is a chance to actually give something back. That's what it's all about.
Whether those are blood units, helping somebody in hospital who may be critically ill, a neonatal baby that really needs milk, you really feel that you're doing something very valuable.
It's always been our aim to run 24 hours, 365, but once the temperature gets down to below 3 degrees, it really isn't safe for a bike to go out.
When the roads are icy and we can't risk putting bikes out on the road, we've had to suspend the bike service.
So as an organisation, we got together to see whether or not having four-wheeled vehicles supporting our motorcycles could support us to cover those areas. So the Dacia Jogger behind me, we collected it in the second week in December, and it's now done just over 6,500 on-duty miles.
The reason we picked Dacia Joggers, it's trust, it's reliability, and it's also affordability.
The cars are very versatile, the fact that they're hybrids, they're obviously very economic. Yeah, we find them a great addition to the fleet.
Across the year as a charity, we average around about 350,000 miles. This is the first year every day we've been able to service, whether it be on motorcycle or cars.
The cars have been out over 160 times. They're jobs that we would have had to turn down. With having the Dacia Joggers, we can go out at any time, and you're not sitting at home thinking somebody might be in a life-threatening position. We know that when we've done a job that we have actually helped somebody.